This is a tutorial for loading an acquisition while including any rejected data. After IntelliSim opens and a database is selected, the Workbench home screen appears. On the left side of the screen, navigate to the correct dataset. The drop-down arrows can be used to navigate through the different levels of data. Select the dataset. The acquisition summary screen will appear on the right side of the screen. In the top right, click on the Load Options button. On the menu that opens, select the Load Rejected Particles checkbox. If you want to load every dataset in this fashion, you can select the Make Setting Default for all acquisitions I-Open link. On the pop-up window, select OK to accept this default setting. Now, open the dataset with the Open button. In the lower right of the screen under Classifier, Visibility and Color Coding Rules, select the checkbox next to Rejected Particles. Then click on the Apply button. This will update the entire acquisition to display the rejected data. For an easier way to see which particles have been rejected, right-click on any column header in the particle tabular display. Select Column Chooser. A list will appear with the titles of all potential columns of data that can be viewed in the tabular display. Select Rejected, then click and drag it into the table. True or false will now be displayed for whether the particle was rejected. You can also drag rejection type to the table. This will add a column which gives a reason that the particle was rejected. There are many more ways to customize the look of your data in IntelliSim Workbench. These functions are covered in separate videos. Thanks.